This is problem number 3 for section 1.6. In this problem it says the formula for a function y equals f of x and the graphs of f and f inverse are given. Find a formula for f inverse. They give you the graphs and they show you what f of x looks like and f inverse looks like. And remember, when you have an inverse, your domain and range switch. So that's why this f inverse function has been reflected, because the domain and range have switched from your f function to your f inverse function. Now, if we want to find the inverse, we first start by saying y equals x to the 5th minus 3. I'm going to switch x and y. So that means that I have now x equals y to the 5th minus 3. And then I'm going to solve for y. So I'm going to add 3 to each side. X plus 3 equals y to the 5th. Take the 5th root of each side. And the 5th root of y to the 5th, well, this is going to cancel, leaving you just with y equals 5th root x plus 3. Now, the last step is we're going to switch y for f inverse. So I'm going to rewrite this as f inverse of x equals the 5th root of x plus 3. And so this is the inverse to the original function, and we can check it by taking this f inverse function, plugging it into the original function, and seeing if we end up with x, and then doing the opposite, plugging the f function into the f inverse, and see if you end up with x as well. If you do, they're inverses of each other.